Alright. Um, my camera's dead. Oh, no, it's not. I did a thing. I tried to record this earlier. I had to re-record. I don't know. My market analysis is barcode, and we were just trying to scalp our way out of the hole that we dug for ourselves. So, and look at this, bro. Oh, it's. I know. I already tried to record a recap because I was supposed to be done here, out at break even for the day, and then something else happened. But um, anyways, I got FOMO up here. I'm scared I'm gonna miss out on this move. Like I know it's gonna run higher because we've tapped into this fair value gap. Because that fair value gap that I'm showing, this is a 4-hour fair value gap, a 1-hour fair value gap, a 30-minute, a 15, and a 5, right? And there's no news today. CPI news data tomorrow. We got exactly what I asked for. We lost 305 trying to buy the top. We lost 200 trying to buy the top again. We lost 140 thinking that it was going to flip and continue short and run through the fair value gap. Then we made 680 and we were up like $87 on the day. Okay? I'm like, okay, I'm going to cut this, just be done. And then I'm like, yeah, but this could continue going higher. I lost 385. I lost 260. I was in profit 15 because I cut this one at break even. I lost another 115. And then I shorted. And a bunch of volume came in here. And I thought we were going to see this push through these lows. And it didn't happen. And I cut it at 425. So I was at like 52,300, right? And then if you guys didn't watch yesterday, we started at 52,600 today, right? So I'm still down 300, and at this point it's just revenge trade, revenge trade, revenge trade. You know, we're fucking in this consolidation shit. We're barcoding on the 5-minute. Structure is not giving us anything, and I'm kind of just trying to read these momentum swings, right? Tried to get short here because I knew we were going to see another pop lower. Tried to get short here. Cut the trade at the top of this wick. Tried to get short one last time. This would have been the last trade too because this trade put us below 52,000. We were like 51,997, right? So I'm like, okay, last fucking trade. Boom, 1,070 puts us up to 53,000. We're up about $400 today. That as I was taking these trades in a recording session, I've deleted that shit at this point because I was so mad at myself for allowing myself to do all this, right? These are the old habits that led me to losing accounts in the past. Now, obviously, it's a lot easier where we're doing more of these micro scalps in the futures market, right? But this is the type of shit I do to lose accounts, and this is the type of shit I can't allow to happen again. And that's revenge trading, right? I wanted to be back and I wanted to be above, and this win streak has kind of like caused that kind of thinking. I feel like where it's like, oh no, I can't lose, I can lose, and even though it didn't happen today, could have been a terrible ending, you know. Overall, we end the day up, but at what cost, you know? CPI news data's tomorrow. Gonna be very cautious because that was one thing I didn't like about today, right? There's no volume. There's no volume through all of this shit. It's gonna be a lot of volume tomorrow, almost too much. I might even have to trade the micros tomorrow just because like I'm scared of how much volume comes from CPI news. Like I might take 5 lots in micros tomorrow, truly. Um, just because I don't trust myself to trade this amount of size. Like, I'm going to see that shit plummet. The other good news would then be to note that we are now almost 3,000 away from our max drawdown. So we are building distance there. All right. It's a rough day. Gotta fucking document it. Can't hide from this one. See you guys tomorrow where we trade CPI news data live. It's not going to be live. And my camera did die. Damn.